Hello. Hi.
Oh,
Good
hi.
afternoon.
Good
Yes.
afternoon.
Welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yeah.
That's great. I can also see and hear you clearly. Is this Satomi?
Yes,
Oh,
Satomi.
nice to meet you today,
Nice to meet
Satomi.
you too.
How are you?
I'm fine, but I'm very sleepy,
Right
so
now?
uh,
Okay, just sleep after this class, okay?
yes.
Yeah, just relax while we have our lesson for today. All
Okay.
right, okay.
Uh,
Mhm.
so
Yes.
I'm also noise. Those are
Oh, it's okay, okay. Are you okay? You have cold? You have some cold? It's okay. Yes, all right. So
so sorry.
no, it's okay. Just tell me when you are ready, okay?
Okay.
All right. So just relax, okay? Yes, I can see here you chose speaking 1 to 7. What did you do yesterday? Is that right?
Okay.
Yes, okay. So, yep, so in this lesson we are going to learn what did you do yesterday. So let's start from example picture. Okay, so please look at the picture.
Okay.
So, what do you say? Like, what time did you get up?
I got up at 8.
Wow.
I
Okay.
woke up at dawn and got up right away. I
Yes.
overslept and didn't get up until 10 a.m.
Okay. Is it also about you? You also get up at 8? Get up at 8? What time do you usually get up in the morning?
Always I get up at 9
Ah,
or
9.
9, not 9, 7.
7.
7
Oh,
or 8.
or 8 o'clock. And then you need to go to school, right?
No,
Are
I'm not
you,
student.
are you working already?
No, I'm not working now. I have a disease,
So you
so
are just at home. You're staying at home?
staying in my home. But
Okay.
I'm now searching for my new job.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So you're about to go to work this time. Yes,
Yeah,
good luck to your new job. I hope you can find
thank
a
you.
better one.
Thank you.
Yes. All right, so let's have the exercise. So let's practice. Please try to
Yes.
answer in a complete sentence. So I will type your answer in the chat box. So let's start with number one. What did you
Okay.
have for breakfast?
I had cereal,
Hmm,
coffee milk,
cereal. Yeah, that's good.
coffee and milk,
Coffee and milk.
banana.
Wow, banana.
That's all.
Okay, coffee, milk, and then banana. Yes, that's great. I like
Mm.
banana too. And also coffee. I'm a coffee drinker,
Mm.
Sometimes I can like drink 3 or 4 cups a day.
Mhm.
Yes, I
By
like.
the way,
Yep.
you have a
Mhm.
dog?
Dog. Before, I have a cat. The dog is from the neighbor.
A neighbor.
The other house, yes.
Mhm.
I used to have a dog, but now I have a cat, one,
Oh,
little one.
oh, that's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah, yeah. Yes, that's right. Okay, so for the sample answer here, please read the sample answer.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
I had a natto and rice. I ate some cereal and fruit.
Mhm.
I had toast and coffee.
Okay, do you like natto?
Yeah, I like.
Wow, I haven't eaten that yet, but I want to try. How does it taste?
It's very, very, neba neba.
Is sticky? What? Is it
Sticky,
sticky? Smelly, sticky. Yeah,
smelly.
but it's delicious. Is it delicious?
Yeah, it's delicious, but it's Maybe for Japanese food. Maybe for Japanese.
Yeah.
Mm,
Other country would find it like different, something like that.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay. Japanese likes natto, right? Because
yeah.
it's healthy. Ah,
Mm-hmm.
yes, that's right. Okay, that's great. Now let's have the next. Number two. What did you do today?
Today I get get up at 7, yeah, 9
Mm-hmm.
a.m. and
9 a.m. Mm-hmm.
sleep again at at 20 20 20 20 20 20
9:20? Is it 9:20?
no
No?
no 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 11 12 12 12
12. All right.
12
Yeah,
until 12
12 noon, right? 12 noon.
noon
Yeah, that's all right.
and I went to uh soba noodle soba
Oh,
noodle
soba noodle store.
store
Mm.
with my boyfriend.
Okay.
I
Wow.
I'm living with my boyfriend
I see,
now,
I see. Yeah. So,
so uh, I ate soba
soba
noodles.
noodles. Yes.
Yeah,
Wow. Is it
and
very
now
delicious? Soba?
yeah, it was delicious.
Mm.
And now uh, I'm so slept
Oh,
again.
you're so sleepy again.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
I wake up, and now I'm in native camp now.
Okay, so you are with me now at native
Yeah.
camp. Yes. Okay, that's great. Now let's have a sample answer here. Please read the sample answers so you will be awakened. Okay. All right. Yes, please read.
I studied English.
Yes, that's
I
right.
talked with my friends.
Okay.
I went to the supermarket.
All right, so you're right with number one here. You studied English now.
I
And
get up at
yeah, that's right. You talk to your boyfriend. Yes,
mm,
yes. This one is they went to the supermarket.
mhm.
All right, let's have the next. Number three is what did you do when you returned home?
I returned home. I slept.
I slept
At,
again. I slept, that's right. Yeah, you have a lot of sleeping
yeah.
time.
Now I'm my mother. I'm already
That's why. Mm-hmm.
slept.
Okay, okay, that's nice.
Sleep.
Yeah, it's good, it's good. Okay, now let's have the sample answer again, okay?
Okay.
Is it okay? Please read the sample answer here. Okay.
I watched television. I prepared food for my family.
Mm.
I went to bed after dinner.
All right. Do you still watch TV? Is it still
No,
in?
my room is no
Yeah,
TV there,
me too. I don't watch
so
TV anymore.
I don't watch TV.
Yes, just how about YouTube? Something like that.
YouTube. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, exactly. And then you don't need to prepare food, right, for your family. It's just the two of you, so you just go out and buy food. Right? Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. Very convenient. All
Mm.
right, good job. So let's have the next. Let's have number four this time. So, what was the best gift you received? When was your birthday? Did you
Uh,
receive the best gift that you wish for?
the best gift is
Mm.
this one, this
Ah, that's great.
wristwatch.
Yeah. Very
It's
good. Looks
it's
good.
Tiffany's one.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
nice.
It is gifted by my boyfriend
Oh, wow.
my
Very,
now boyfriend.
very sweet.
Uh, um, he wear We will be married next year.
Next
So
year.
engaged present.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the engagement present.
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, that's nice. That's very valuable, right? Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So let's have here a sample answer for the best gift. Okay, just like yours. So please read the sample answer. Mm-hmm.
I received a box of favorite chocolate.
Oh, chocolate. Okay.
I received an airline ticket for abroad.
Mm-hmm.
I got connect ticket of my favorite band.
Concert. Do you think airline ticket is a best gift this time during pandemic?
No, no, no,
No,
no,
right?
no, no, no,
No.
no.
How
You're
about,
kidding.
yeah, how about concert tickets? Is it
Mm,
also best gift?
yeah, not to get
Not,
best gift.
not also, right? Because
Yeah.
you cannot enjoy, going outside right now with many people.
Mm,
It's
mm.
risky, right? It's risky.
Yeah, risky.
Yeah, very difficult.
Yeah.
All right, I think the best gift is the wrist watch. That's the best gift rather than plane tickets or
Yeah,
concert
the
tickets.
best.
That's the best,
Mm,
especially coming from someone you love.
mm-hmm,
Okay,
mm-hmm.
very good. All right, let's move to number five. What
Okay.
was your worst gift?
Gift.
Gift. Mm-hmm.
I have. I don't think gift is
Worst, right?
worst.
Yes, that's good. That's a very good answer. I don't think
Mm,
any gift is worse, right?
yeah.
I don't think any gift is worse. It's not worst, right?
Gift
May,
is
yeah,
gift is every gift is very good.
every gift is good and nice, right? It's
Mm,
nice. That's a good answer. I like that.
mm.
We cannot say worst gift. Why worst? You should be thankful, right? You should be thankful.
Yeah, it's
Even
cool.
if it's not so expensive, you just be
Mm-hmm.
thankful about the gifts
Yeah.
that you receive. That's a good attitude. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Let's have a
Mm-hmm.
sample answer. Please read the sample answer.
My friend gave me an outdated magazine.
Okay.
My friend gave me a broken toy. Wow.
Oh no.
My friend gave me the wrong size shirt as a gift.
Yeah, that's why they call it worst, right?
So,
But what
um,
will you do? For example, you receive outdated magazine, broken toy,
mhm.
wrong size of shirt as a gift. All right,
uh,
what will you do?
uh,
The wrong size is still okay, right? You can replace it with the right
yeah.
size. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
provided that the receipt is still
Mm-hmm.
there with your friend, right?
Mm-hmm.
But how about broken toy?
Broken
What will
toy.
you do with a
What
broken
can I
toy?
do? Broken toy. No,
Just throw it away?
throw it away.
Alright, how about outdated magazine? Same? Throw it?
Um,
Or
I think that present, uh, who people who gave that present isn't uh, think about
yeah, they did not check,
uh,
right? They did not check the date.
yeah,
Also, the toy they did not check the quality of the
yeah.
toy. Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, good job.